Hi and welcome to my latest video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, life has been chaotic. So today I've had this in the post, which is like this Uber mega die from Felt Better. I'm considering it an investment piece because it was a lot of money, it was £145, but I'm hoping the money that I've spent on it is going to save me a lot of time, and I do make a lot of small bows. So this cuts out 12 of the bow loops plus some strips for the centre, and this one cuts out 12 of the tails plus again some strips for the centre. Between the two dies you will use an A4 sheet of fabric. You can obviously mix and match. I cut my sheets just slightly over A5 for this side, and then the other side just covers this perfectly as well. So I'm going to do a time test to see how long it takes me to make the dozen bows, or 6 pairs as I sell them. So I'll just set up my daughter's phone, if I can remember a passcode. Put that there. And let's see how long it takes. I've got some clips ready to put them on. I've got some scissors to trim the centre, and I also have my glue gun. And I also have my fabrics here. I've already pre-cut these just to the right sizes that I want for them. This one is just over A5 and that one is the remainder of the sheet. Obviously it's just one A4 sheet between them. So let's see how long it takes. Press start. Let's do my loops first. Make sure everything is covered on the die, which as you can see there it is. Or it was until I noticed where I was going to put it in. I put bigger dies to a slight angle to make them easier to go through my machine. All of the loops cut. I'm just going to throw them on my desk. There's the strips there as well. If you can hear my kids in the background, they're all being extremely noisy tonight. It's the half term and it's Halloween week. So that's the second one's cut. I'm going to chuck all the bits of the machine over there. So we are at 1 minute 18 seconds and we have got everything cut out ready. Just separate everything out now. This is quite a thick fabric, this one, so I'm not sure how well it will do with such tiny bows. I'm sure it'll be fine. And there's some mini bows I made earlier, as you do. My desk is always covered. As you can see, it's an extremely messy desk, well worked on. That's everything off there. That's a glue gun. I'm going to glue all of the loops first. Little process that I do things in a certain order. We're attached together. This glue gun is super stringy at the moment. I need to get a new one. I think it's just stopped heating up as much as it used to. It's been very well abused, as you can probably tell. Right, now add the tails on. Put a tad more glue on there. Must have rushed that one. You can see like there's just stringy everywhere now. I'm just attached to everything. When I finish this, I'll go on Amazon and order myself a new glue gun. I will get the exact same gun again because I know it works well, it's just I seem to have suddenly got to the point with it where it doesn't want to heat up properly. But it has been very, very well abused, so it's been worth the money. This fabric is available from tons of suppliers. I used to sell it myself, but I've recently closed as a bow supplier to concentrate on bows. Children's clothing, eBay. eBay's always been one of my big money making areas as a business, and I find it so much easier to run than a website. See, the common sense in me, I should have just put everything from my new website onto eBay, but I like to have a website. I'm one of those people. eBay's cool and all, but you like to have your own thing as well. Knowing me, 3 months time you'll see everything of mine on eBay rather than different websites, and I'll think, oh yeah, maybe I should have done that in the first place. Like clips. I'm covered in glue. Oh no, screen's locked. I'll unlock that when I finish this round of putting the clips on. See the dog on my phone, on my phone, on my daughter's phone. That is my mum's dog, Barney, which my daughter loves. She loves all animals. Anyone who gets a pet, my daughter then wants to move in with them. I refuse to get a dog until we have a house with a garden, which might never happen, who knows. That's all the clips on. I'll just unlock my daughter's phone and see what time we're at. 8 minutes 44. Don't think I'll get this done before the 10 minutes are up. Well, not that I've set myself a limit of 10 minutes. Just curiosity to see how long it takes me. 10 minutes would be cool though. This phone doesn't want to stay on now. I have to be supersonic to get this done by 10 minutes, but no. Excuse my squeaky chair. Everything's so stringy. Oh, it's locked again. So that is everything glued, and we are at, let's have a look, 13 minutes and 48 seconds. So I think it'd be reasonably acceptable to think that I could get 4 lots done an hour. which would be 24 pairs of bows an hour, or 48 single bows an hour, whichever way you want to look at it, which is pretty good going in my opinion. You can see they are super cute and dinky. It's a gorgeous glitter, that one. I just need to get a new glue gun because there is string everywhere. Right. I do hope that I can get the medium one at some point, but I decided to get the smallest one first because I make a lot more smaller bows than medium bows, but medium bows also do sell really well, but I like the small ones the best as well. So there we go on that. I think if you are a high volume business seller where you're making a lot, or you plan to make a lot of them and really make like a really big go of it, then it is quite a wise investment for your time and your ability to make up big batches of things in as quick as possible. But if you're just starting out, I wouldn't recommend buying it unless you really have a good business plan behind you, because £145 for a single die is rather pricey. You can get quite a few different shapes for that individually. But yeah, there we go. Thank you for watching. If anything, at least I hope it's at least been therapeutic watching them being made. I do love these poppy ones as well. I could do getting some smaller clips for these, but I only have 32mm at the moment. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.